Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Science on class. Today we are going to see the topic extraction from the lesson 8, page 115. Why I have chosen this topic means because for in chemistry detail this extraction is very important. In our book there are totally 3 extractions are given. Today we are going to discuss about 2 types of extraction. First one, extraction of aluminium. How we are going to extract the aluminium? Aluminium from bauxite ore, that is Al2O3 to H2O. For the extraction of aluminium from bauxite ore, it has a 2 steps. Step 1, conversion of the bauxite into alumina by the Bayes process. Second step, electrolytic reduction of alumina from the Hall's process. Students, shall we move on to the first step? Yes. Step 1, conversion of bauxite into alumina by the Bayes process. What is the steps? First one, the ore is finally ground at the temperature of 150 degrees Celsius at a high pressure with a concentrated caustic soda to obtain a sodium meta-aluminate. On diluting sodium meta-aluminate with water, we are obtaining a precipitate aluminium hydroxide. This aluminium hydroxide precipitate is then washed, dried and then ignited at the temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius to obtain alumina Al2O3. So the overall reaction 2AlOH thrice at the temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius to obtain the alumina Al2O3 plus 3H2O. Step 2, electrolytic reduction of alumina by the Hall's process. In the Hall's process, it has a electrolytic cell. This is an electrolytic cell model. In this electrolytic cell, we have taken electrolyte as a pure alumina, cryolite and fluorosphere. For the electrolytic cell, we have used an bus bar as an carbon anode and we have taken an iron tank as a cathode and we maintain a temperature around 900 to 950 degrees Celsius and the voltage applied is 5 to 6 voltage. So, the overall reaction on passing electric current, this alumina is reduced into aluminium and oxygen. Then the aluminium is deposited at the cathode. Oxygen is liberated at the anode. Oxygen combines with the carbon graphite anodes and form as a carbon dioxide gas. Next extraction we are going to see about the extraction of copper from copper pyrites. What is the formula for the copper pyrites? CuFeS2, copper pyrites. Why we have chosen only from copper pyrites? We are extracting copper means because copper pyrites is the chief ore of the copper. Shall we move on to the steps? Step 1, concentration. This copper pyrite ore is powdered and it is concentrated by the froth flotation process. What is the second step? Roasting. Roasted the concentrated ore in the excess of air. Then during the roasting time, moisture and volatile impurities are removed. Finally, copper pyrite is partly converted into sulfides of copper and iron. So the equation becomes 2CuFeS2 plus O2 gives Cu2S plus 2FeS plus SO2. Shall we move on to the third step?